The English word geyser comes from a specific geyser in Iceland called Geyser. And geyser in Icelandic means something like one who gushes. Here's a drawing of the one who gushes gushing gratuitously circa 1873. What generally gets geysers going is liquid hot magma heating up rocks, which steams and boils up water underground. All that steam and pressure causes spurts of steamy, boily, piping hot water to spew forth from the surface. Altogether, there are only about 1,000 geysers about the globe. And as far as I can tell, about 10 of them are cold water geysers. Instead of being heated by liquid hot magma located near underground reservoirs, cold water geysers are pressurized by CO2, which is the same shit in soda pop. One of the more famous cold water geysers is Crystal Geyser in Utah. It only started erupting in 1936. An oil exploration well tapped into a highly pressurized groundwater system that was chock full of that gaseous fizz. Now, of all the geysers in the world, about half of them are in Yellowstone National Park. Old Faithful, the world's most famous gusher, generally spurts around 4,000 to 8,000 gallons per occasion. And it spits its hot discharge an average of 145 feet in the air. Old Faithful is the most regular big geyser, but there are more regular and more bigger geysers even just in Yellowstone. Intervals between eruptions range from about an hour to almost 2 hours, but over time those intervals have gotten longer. In 1939, the average was 66.5 minutes between sputterings, but in the year 2000, the average was 90 minutes. Over 4 million people visit the park annually. During the summer, over 2,000 people crowd to watch each of Old Faithful's steamy emissions.